and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And the sun just set here in the last 20 minutes, and you'll notice the overcast skies over downtown Decatur right now. This view brought to you by Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. Just a little bit of that light breaking through some of these overcast skies. It's 49 degrees and most areas now dropping to the upper 40s. We're going to stay dry here through this evening and into the overnight hours. And you'll notice temperatures kind of getting hung up in the upper 30s all the way through about sunrise tomorrow morning. So not as cold as the last few mornings. You'll still need that jacket if you're heading out for the walk this evening or tomorrow morning. But again, it will be dry all the way through sunrise. What we're seeing right now, the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, dry conditions, and you'll notice clear skies on the satellite right now once you get to about Jackson and DeKalb County. So it's likely a very beautiful sunset for those areas. If you got a picture of that, I would love to see it. Send that to share@waytv.com. But a little bit more cloud cover for everyone else. We zoom out, you can actually see our winter storm kind of taking shape right now. We've got two areas of low pressure, and they're kind of merging as we head through the next 24 hours. We call that phasing when that happens, and they're going to phase together just off to our west, kind of giving us the best ingredients for some snow by early Sunday morning and into your Sunday afternoon. But until then, Saturday, we're going to start dry, and we're going to be tracking some pretty heavy rainfall through the late afternoon hours and into your Saturday evening. It is even possible that you could hear some rumbles of thunder tomorrow, with temperatures topping out around 50 in the middle of the afternoon. So it's not going to feel like a snowstorm is on the way when you're seeing heavy rain and it's 50 degrees outside. But again, once we hit tomorrow evening and into the overnight hours, the temperature is going to drop pretty quickly. So what we're seeing here on future radar, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, dry conditions. So again, you can still get some things done outside. I know a lot of folks maybe still working on some of those Christmas decorations, so you can get that done tomorrow morning. But by the afternoon, you can see all that heavy rain starting to move in from out of the west and southwest. Look at all the yellows and the oranges on the map. That's indicating maybe some embedded thunderstorms. Again, they would not be strong or severe, but just some heavy rainfall. Then we head through the overnight hours and into your Sunday morning. This is 5 a.m. And you'll notice we're starting to see that switchover occurring for North Alabama. It will continue to see some of that heavy snow setting up. Now, it really comes down to the track of the low pressure system. This is a little bit more of a snowier forecast model, but still tracking all that heavy snow impacting North Alabama. Another big burst of some heavy snow as you get into some of these darker blues on the map right around 2 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. And that continues all the way into your Sunday evening. And we're just going to see even colder air moving in on the backside. So anything on the roads, it's going to freeze, making for some difficult driving conditions Sunday night and into your Monday morning. Here's a look at that first snowfall forecast map. We'll update this through the next 24 hours, but you'll notice some of those areas that are inside of that winter storm watch. You get into these purples in the map, 3 to 5 inches of snowfall, lower totals, but again, it really comes down to the track of the low pressure system. The other big concern besides the roads by Sunday and into Monday will be power issues in North Alabama. This is going to be very wet, heavy snow, and it's going to stick to some of the trees and branches. And think back to just 2 weeks ago, we had a pretty wet snowstorm that moved through, and that already damaged and weakened a lot of those branches and trees. So you add on some more heavy snow, some breezy, gusty winds Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. That's going to bring down some of those trees and branches, and that's going to create some power issues if those start to land on some of the power lines. And of course, some of those trees could fall across roads, making for increased travel issues. So again, just stay off the roads if you can Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. There's a look at the 7-day forecast, and look what's heading our way once we get past Sunday afternoon. Temperatures dropping down to the mid-20s by Monday morning. So again, anything that survives through Sunday afternoon, it's going to freeze, and it's just going to make for an ice sheet by Monday morning.